So now we know the meaning of internal energy. What is the meaning? It is different from macroscopic energy, macroscopic order energy. So internal energy means it is the energy possessed or energy associated with the random and disordered motion of the molecules in a gaseous system. So we know this expression: kinetic energy for molecule is given by 3 by 2 kT, or it is also denoted by kB. kB for Boltzmann constant. T is the temperature. So it depends upon the temperature. So if temperature increases, this kinetic energy also increases. Temperature decreases, it will also decrease like this. Temperature remain constant, no change. So only at, this is very important result, only at absolute zero temperature, T is equal to 0 Kelvin, at T is equal to 0 Kelvin, this kinetic energy will become 0. So at all temperature T greater than 0, this kinetic energy is never 0. What is the meaning? So at room temperature T is greater than 0, therefore the gas molecule possesses some energy. It may be due to the translation motion, rotation of the gas molecule. We know the meaning of degree of freedom. So some gases have only 3 degree of freedom, 5 degree of freedom, etc. So depending upon the translational, vibrational and rotational motion, the number of degree of freedom changes, and therefore this kinetic energy also changes. So this is related with the internal energy of the system, random and disordered motion of the gas molecule. Now, this internal energy can be changed by two methods for the gaseous system. One method is this: by heating, by increasing the temperature. या इक्वेशन आपल्याला रिझल्ट डायरेक्ट मिळाला आलं का? Or the second method is, it can also be obtained by doing the work, whether the work is done by the gas or on the gas. Both methods are used to change the internal energy. This is a very simple method. Only we have to heat the gas. Therefore temperature will increase, therefore energy will increase like this. So we are going to see these two processes, both the processes. Internal energy U of a gas can be changed by first heating it and second doing some work, So these are the two methods. First we are going to see this method number 1, changing internal energy by heating. Change in internal energy by heating the gas. And for that purpose we are considering this type of situation. A gas is enclosed in a cylinder. It is fitted. The cylinder is fitted with a movable, massless and frictionless piston and one end. So we are using this type of arrangement. Suppose this is a cylinder. This is a piston. So this P for piston. This is the gas molecule. This is a cylinder. This is initial state. Initial state like this. So we are considering this type of arrangement. A gas is filled. Consider a gas filled in a cylinder fitted with massless movable frictionless piston. So piston is movable like this. So this type of situation we are going to use so many times in our next discussion. Now, in this case, the gas is the system. Cylinder along with piston is called as a environment. So this system is at temperature Ts. This environment is at temperature T. Like this. Then we are using a source of heat, that is burner. It is the environment. It is at temperature T. So this is a gaseous system. So initially this temperature Ts is equal to 100 degree Celsius. In the initial state, the temperature of the system is equal to 100 degree Celsius. Now we are heating the gas. So this heat is supplied by using a burner. That burner is called as a source of heat. This is a burner. Source of heat. So heat is supplied to the gaseous system, and therefore when the heat is supplied, we know that its energy increases. Energy increases, therefore its temperature will also increase. So because of this heat supplied to the gas, therefore the system goes to the final state, and in the final state the temperature will be more. piston, this is the gas, and now this is the final state. After heating, it is a final state. So in the final state, the temperature of the system, gaseous system enclosed in a cylinder, will increase say 200 degrees Celsius. So the temperature increases from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, and therefore by this equation the internal energy of each gas molecule will increase, therefore total internal energy will also increase like this. So this is the change in the temperature of the system by heating. So there are two cases in this case. This source of heat, burner is considered the environment. So in the first part, when gas is heated, in initial state, the temperature of the gaseous system is less than temperature of the environment. Environment means the burner source of heat, and therefore heat is added to the gaseous system. Therefore temperature Ts increases, and therefore internal energy increases. So delta U is not equal to 0. Now when no heat is supplied but gas is at higher temperature, second case, when no heat is supplied, then temperature of the gaseous system is now greater than temperature of the environment. Therefore heat is given out from gaseous system. Therefore temperature of the system decreases. Therefore internal energy decreases. Again delta U is not equal to 0. So in this case internal energy increases by delta U. In this case internal energy decreases by delta U. So in both the cases Ts is less than T and Ts is greater than T. So temperature difference allows the heat flow. पुन्हा आपण तोच रिझल्ट मिळवतोय. So environment is at higher temperature, therefore heat will flow from environmental to system. So heat is added in the gaseous system from the environment. Therefore temperature of the system will increase like this. Internal energy increases. In this case internal energy decreases. So this is one method. Method number 1. We can change the internal energy by heating the gas. One method. Now second method is this, by doing some work. So whether the work is done by the gas on the piston or by the piston on the gas. Again there are two sub cases. इथे जसे आपण दोन केसेस बघितले आहेत तशा तिथे पण दोन केसेस असतात. So what is the arrangement here? Initially the gas is at temperature Ts is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. The gas is heated by using a burner source of heat. So source of heat is considered as the environment. So this burner supplies the heat. Therefore heat is added by our previous notation you can show like this. Heat is added, therefore Q is for the loop. So by addition of heat, the temperature of the gas increases from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. And since temperature increases, by that equation, kinetic energy of each gas molecule increases, total energy increases, internal energy increases. So this is initial state. Now gas is heated. This is the final state. After heating the gas, the final state has temperature of the system equal to 200 degrees Celsius, more than this always. So in the final state, the temperature is more than initial state, and therefore temperature increases, internal energy increases. Now no heat is supplied, the burner is removed. So the surrounding is only the air, atmosphere, and in that case now gas is at higher temperature, but surrounding is at room temperature 27 degrees Celsius. So in that case, the heat will be given out by the gas. So heat is added, heat is given out. Therefore, the corresponding changes in the temperature are like this. So this is one method. Now what to see this second method by doing the work. So we can also change the internal energy by doing some work like this. So now we are considering this second method to change the internal energy of the gas. So we are in this type of situation. This is a cylinder filled with the gas and it is fitted with a piston, movable, massless and frictionless piston. So consider a gas filled in a cylinder fitted with movable, massless, frictionless piston as shown in the figure. In the initial state, the temperature of the gas is so in this case, gas plus cylinder is equal to system, and surrounding atmosphere is the environment. So in the initial state, this Ts is equal to 100 degree Celsius. Initially means before moving the piston. Ts is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Now we can move the piston by two methods. Here we are moving the piston towards this fixed end. So now again we will draw the same diagram. The piston was initially in this position. Now it is moved to this new position. So this is the distance d. Motion of the piston. So the piston is moved inward. Therefore, volume decreases, the gas is compressed. So in this case, the work is done by the piston on the gas. So work done on gas. When piston moves piston moves inward, piston moves inward, then gas is compressed. Gas is compressed, volume decreases, gas is compressed, and work is done on the gas. So when the piston moves inward quickly, so that gas is compressed. In this case, piston does some work on the gas in moving through some distance. So in this case, the momentum is transferred from piston to gas molecule during pushing it, and therefore what is the result? The momentum is transferred from piston to gas molecule, therefore gas gains energy, therefore internal energy increases. Internal energy increases during volume compression, and hence temperature increases. So in this case, if the initial temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, then the final temperature will be more than this. Say it is 200 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Celsius. So in the final state, the final temperature is greater than initial temperature during the compression. So this is the result. So in this case, work is done on the gas. So by doing the work on the gas, we can increase its internal energy. We can also decrease its internal energy, but the process will be a reversal, and that process will be like this. Now the gas pushes the piston out. So this is case number 1. When the piston moves inward, this is case A. Now case B. Case B. When the gas pushes the piston out, when the gas pushes the piston out of the cylinder, then volume of gas increases, that is, gas expands. In this case, the gas is compressed, in this case, the gas expands, and therefore, for expansion, energy of the gas is used in pushing the piston. हे दोघे प्रोसेस मध्ये फरक काय तो पण आपल्याला माहिती आहे इन पुशिंग द पिस्टन. Therefore, gas loses energy. gas gain energy, gas loses energy, and therefore internal energy of the gas, internal energy of the gas decreases during volume expansion, and internal energy decreases, therefore temperature decreases during volume expansion. So what is the result? Volume expansion, or first we will consider a case, volume compression, volume compression. What is the result? Work done on gas, internal energy U increases, delta U is not equal to 0. Now B case, when there is a volume expansion, then work done by the gas, and in this case the internal energy decreases, therefore du is not equal to 0. So this is the result. So work done on the gas, there is a change in internal energy. Work done by the gas, there is a change in the internal energy. So we can change the internal energy of the gas by doing the work. Whether the work is done on the gas or by the gas, in both the cases, there is a change in internal energy, there is a change in temperature, like this. So these are the results. So we can change internal energy by heating the gas and by doing the work. Now this change in internal energy is explained by using the first law of thermodynamics. So how this first law of thermodynamics is applicable here, that we have to see. Also we have to give the statement of the first law of thermodynamics by this situation. So what is the title of our article? Heat, internal energy and work. So just now we have seen that how the internal energy changes by two methods, by heating or by doing the work. So now we are going to see this part, work. So work done is positive, work done is negative. So these two cases we have to see separately. Positive work done by a system, negative work done by a system. What is the difference between the two cases? That we have to see. So in both the cases, we are considering the same experimental arrangement. An ideal gas is enclosed in a cylinder. Consider an ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder by movable, massless and frictionless piston as shown in the figure. So on both sides we are using the same arrangement. So this is the cylinder, this is a piston, this is the gas, So gas is a system and cylinder along with piston is the environment. Like so, this is a system that we are going to consider. The gas inside the cylinder is considered as a system, and cylinder along is considered as a. So now in this case, the gas is expanding. So piston moves outward. Therefore, this is the final position. When gas pushes the piston outward, then the gas expands. Expansion of the gas, volume increases. The gas is expanding. Gas molecules strike the piston and they impart or they transfer momentum. Momentum is a product of mass and velocity, and they transfer momentum to the piston like this. Therefore, force and pressure is exerted on the piston by the gas flow. During the displacement of the piston, work is done. We know that work is given by force multiplied by displacement. So if this is the displacement dx and this is the pressure exerted by the gas, force exerted by the gas on the piston, then this force multiplied by displacement F, force multiplied by displacement will give the work. So during the displacement of the piston, work is done, and this work done is the positive. The gas does the positive work. Work is done by the gas on the piston. So internal energy decreases in this case. Internal energy of the gas decreases, work done is positive. Internal energy U decreases, but work done by the system is positive. So positive work done by the system, this is the example. Volume expansion is the best example. So you can underline this. When the gas pushes the piston outward, some work is done, and that work done is the positive. So during the volume expansion, work done is the positive. during the volume expansion, work done by the system, that is gas. In our case, the system is the gas enclosed in the cylinder. During the volume expansion, work done by the system or work done by the gas is positive. Volume expansion, work done is positive, like this. This is the reason. आता इकडे याच्या उलट होईल. In this case, this is the case of volume expansion. So volume increases, piston moves from this initial position to final position. This is initial position. This is final position. Final position. Now, the second case is exactly opposite case. In this case, we are pushing the piston inward. So again, arrangement is same. This is the initial position of the piston. Piston moves inward. So the piston moves through distance dx again. Gas. So gas is the system and cylinder along with the piston is the environment. This is initial position. This is final position. Final position. Here the gas pushes the piston. In this case, the piston will push the gas. When the gas inside the when piston is moved inward, then volume of the gas decreases. Volume of the gas decreases. That is compression. Compression of a gas. This is the volume expansion, that is the volume compression. Gas expand, the gas is compressed. So in this case, the gas molecule striking the piston, they transfer their momentum. So in this case, piston gives the momentum to striking gas molecule. Striking gas molecule. Therefore, in this case, momentum was transferred by gas molecule to piston. In this case, it is transferred from piston to gas molecule. Exactly opposite process, and therefore, the momentum of gas molecule increases. In this case, momentum of the gas molecule was decreasing. So these are exactly opposite processes. Momentum of the gas molecule increases. Gas molecule gains momentum. Gas molecule gains this case, internal energy U, increases. Internal energy U decreases. See this arrow. Internal energy increases, and work done is negative. Now work is done by piston on gas, that is on system. So work is done in this case, work is done by the system. In this case, work is done on the system. Work is done on the system, and the work done is negative. Work done is positive, work done is negative. So what is the result? During the volume compression, work done by the system is negative. During volume compression, work done by the system is negative. Work done by the system is negative. Like this. So these are the two cases. Volume expansion, piston moves outward. Volume compression, piston moves inward. So momentum is transferred from piston to gas molecule. Momentum is transferred from gas molecule to piston, like this. So these are the two exactly opposite cases. So during volume expansion, the work done is positive. During the volume compression, work done is negative. Actually, in chemistry, you might have seen this relation. Physics मध्ये आपल्याला हे रिलेशन नाही आहे. Work done W during the volume change is equal to 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 of V2 minus V1. So V2 is the final volume, V1 is a final volume. V1 is a initial volume. So first we will consider this case, volume expansion. Mathematically पण आपल्याला explain करता येतं. Volume expansion, V2 is greater than V1, therefore V2 upon V1 is greater than 1, therefore work done is positive. Now volume compression. So in this case, V2 is less than V1, therefore the ratio in that bracket, this is part of the volume ratio, V2 upon V1. Now it is less than 1. आणि हा जर लेस दॅन 1 असेल, आपल्याला लॉगचे रूल माहिती. इफ व्हॅल्यू इज लेस दॅन 1, से 0.9, सो लॉग ऑफ 0.9 विल बी बार 1 पॉईंट समथिंग. तो बार म्हणजे निगेटिव्हसाठी असतो. कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक तेव्हा आपण निगेटिव्ह घेतो, -1 घेतो आपण. सो इन दिस केस वर्क डन इज निगेटिव्ह. म्हणजे कॅल्क्युलेशन करताना हा V2 अपॉन V1 समजा रेशो जर 0.3 आला, तर त्याचा लॉग जर आपण घेतला तर तो बार पण 0.30477 घेणार आपण. तर तो बार मध्ये येतो म्हणजे तो निगेटिव्ह येतो. कळलं? आणि हे इक्वेशन जे केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये तुम्ही यूज करता, त्याचा यूज इथे पण करता येऊ शकतो. सो व्हॉल्यूम एक्सपेन्शन V2 is more than V1, work done is positive. Volume compression V2 is less than V1, so this ratio is less than 1. We have to take the log of quantity less than 1, so it will be negative, like this. So the result can also be explained by this type of mathematical relation. तर हे रिलेशन फिजिक्समध्ये असेल तर बघू आपण नंतरच्या पार्टमध्ये कुठेतरी. लक्षात. So here lastly I have given this relation directly. work done W is equal to 2.303 nRT log of V2 upon V1 to the base 10. So we have to find the value of expression for the work done during the change in volume. But in that case, we are not going to derive this relation, but the relation is very simple. It is related with this change in volume V2 minus V1 or V1 minus V2, final volume minus initial volume. So there are two types of expressions for the work done during the volume change. So this derivation is not included here in the first part. So we will see that relation, work done during the volume change, and then it is related with the first law of thermodynamics. So we have to prepare the mathematical statement of the first law of thermodynamics. So first we will derive the mathematical expression, and then we will give the statement of the first law of thermodynamics. So expression for work done during the volume change and then law of thermodynamics. These two parts we have to see continuously. We are using the same type of arrangement, a gas system enclosed in a cylinder by a piston like this. Using same arrangement we can derive that relation. So okay, we will stop here because these two articles are they must be considered simultaneously. Expression for work done during the volume change and then first law of thermodynamics. Expression for the first law of thermodynamics. So we will see these two articles continuously.